Okay, this is the second day working on this E90. Was finally able to get it start, but it's still having misfires. It starts fine, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear the misfires. I'm gonna take it to the exhaust. Start it. Okay. So it's already still misfiring, but the owner went to AutoZone to get some more ignition coils so we can replace them. So when you unplug it, you're gonna hear a different sound like that. And that's how you diagnose the misfires, because if you unplug it and it has this sound right here, the ignition coil is working. Now, if you unplug it and there's no change of the sound, then you have to replace the ignition coil. But for the sake of this project, we're going to replace all of them just to be safe. Okay, so we just finished putting in everything, all the connections, all the wiring, hooked up the ignition coils, the Valvetronic. We put in all the wiring, all of that good stuff. Now we're gonna start the car. Okay, so we just have to start the car. So it's still misfiring. This is what it sounds like. Still at it. We're gonna change out coil number 6 with the spark plug one more time. Still misfiring number 6. Okay, we got his car to, is smooth now. The only cold that's in there is the vanos for the intake side. All the misfires are completely gone this time. The car starts fine. No issue at all. No misfire. No misfire. There's no shaking in the engine. Everything is good now. It took me a good minute because cylinder number 4 is the only one that kept misfiring, which is right here. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, and we got 4 on the other side, 5, and then we got 6. Number 4 is the only one that kept misfiring. 3 and 4 was. So after a couple hours of diagnosing both of these, it's finally good and it's running smooth.